Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. So I randomly came across this Banjara Market and I'm going to explore this Banjara Market. I've been here before but मैं इतना explore नहीं कर पाई थी, but this time I really want to explore, but बहुत धूप है. I will hopefully take you around and मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगी जहाँ पे मैं जाऊंगी. So sit back and enjoy this video. Bye. So it's all construction going on, that's why इतना damaged है. And if you can see, पूरा पीछे तक market है यार. So this is near golf course extension. You get everything for decor and all. Like look at these. These are so good for, you know, planting, multi-purpose. The best thing about this market is you can bargain straight 50% from the price they quote you. Also, you know, you get n numbers of decors, furnitures, your dressing table, your dining table, your chairs, and everything you want for your house. Also, मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत जो आप ये टेबल देख रहे हो, सेंटर टेबल, सो यूनिक. एंड जैसे आपको भी यू नो बहुत डस्की लग रहे हैं या न्यू नहीं लग रहे हैं, so they paint you. They paint for you, and my mistake, my bad, sorry. For such pretty decor pieces, and you know, for Christmas, for Diwali, and look at this lamp. It was so beautiful. And अगर मैंने lamp नहीं लिया होता अपने घर के लिए, so I would have taken this. I loved every single piece from this market, and the best time to come in this market is evening, guys. दिन में बिल्कुल मत आना, अगर summer है, you will be tan. fully tan हो चुकी हूँ, काली हो चुकी हूँ. Even I'm not able to see myself. इतनी धूप है यहाँ पे. बार्गेन अगर आता है तो ही आप इस मार्केट में आओ, अदरवाइज इट्स नो यूज. So you get everything in this market. Everything means your household, for planting, for decor, for furniture and everything. So do visit. I'm gonna link the area in the description box so you can check that out, and I'll take a leave. It's super hot and I'm starving too, so I'll take a leave and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.